Hello mga stories, welcome back at channel. Okay. Hello sa inyo. So, Monday, daily mga uploads ko every Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. Manila time, dito lang sa aking channel. So, tungkol ito sa Reddit na to, may napansin ako, may ewan ko lang sa sa mga ibang establishment. Yung iba talagang ini-implement, minsan talaga daily na. Okay? At saka, kung naalala niyo yung nagka-issue kay Dale Philip regarding sa mga sa mga Starbucks na bakit ang daming nag-aaral, di naman hindi mo pwede sa library man lang or sa mga hotel o ganyan-ganyan. May pasaring dati si Dale Philip, di ba? Yun, well, kaya minsan, ito kasi sa, sa policy na to, malamang hindi ito, dito Starbucks. Ito, galing to sa, dito sa Black Sheep Coffee. Hindi ko alam kung saan lugar to. Pero may nagpaskel dito sa harap ng store. Tungkol ito yung nalagay, no laptop, no tablet, no study policy. From Friday to Sundays, from Friday 12 p.m. to Sunday 7 p.m. So, mayroon siyang timeline, kumbaga, na from Friday 12 p.m. 12 noon, tapos hanggang Sunday 7 p.m. So, bawal pala ng no laptop, no private study. So, nakalagay dito isa ang task niya. Owing to majority of customer complaining about unavailability of tables and chairs during weekends, we have introduced a no laptop, no tablet, no study policy from Friday 12 p.m. hanggang Sunday 7 p.m. Our trial last weekend was a big success, and we thank you in advance for your continued support. Wow, medyo maganda, transparent yung explanation niya. Okay yun. Tinignan ko sa mga comments dito. Well, shop their, sabi na dito ni, not delete. Yup, shop their rules. I see nothing wrong here. Majority of the customers on weekends are people who just want to hang out and chika. Some students kasi, they occupy most spaces. Example na lang yung Starbucks, malapit sa amin. May mga 2-seater table naman, pero they choose to sit on a 4-seater table. 4-seater table kasi doon malapit saksakan. Madalas mag-isa lang sila pero sakop yung mesa. Diba? Same as Starbucks din, same as Starbucks dito sa amin. Sabi dito. Well, actually, big cafes ngayon, ganyan sistema ng mga tao. Mostly for tambay, kahit 1 to 2 people lang nag-order. Okay. Ito isa naman, si IPES din. Okay lang kung willing silang give up yung market na yan. Private establishment naman sila. May time din naman yung policy. Better na yan kaysa sa sitahin one by one. Yung mga talagang makapal na ginawa ng second home and cafe at one drink ang order. I don't think they're set up that rule if they know that Democrats don't lose their money. Tapos sabi dito, medyo pabor naman iba dito. I think it's a good policy. They could also make 1 hour 30 minutes stay per drink purchase. Kasi ginagawa pa nila office yung Starbucks and coffee shops. Most of the time, di na kami nakaupo. Hinahanapin ko yung mga taliwas dito. Mga recruitment, office, konti na magiging recruitment. Okay, may taliwas to. Ito, mayroong ditong taliwas. Okay daw. I don't like the policy. They wouldn't need it from if people were just reasonably considerate. There's no reason to throw me out for studying in the place. It's just half full. But if it fills up, it should be considered enough to finish up and free up the table. But I understand that's too much to ask. Okay. Ito may nag-reply sa kanya na but problem is people aren't considerate. Some people stay for 8 hours a day. And I can even say that some already live there at this point. And you should view this from the business perspective. If you were the owner and the people use your air conditioning, seats, and even Wi-Fi in some cases for 8 hours a day, but they only paid $150 for that 8 hours, you're basically paying for the stay instead of them paying you. Ano sa tingin nyo? May point ba? Diba? Ano sa tingin nyo? Yan lang, uupo ka lang para mag-study na ano. Diba? At para bumili lang ng isang frappuccino, isang ano ba na sa Starbucks ko, isang pang coffee para dyan. Why not just 30 minutes per drink? Wala pa sa climax yung chika timeout na ano yun, 2 hours. 2 hours dapat. Ito, reason why I don't understand why hindi na lang sila nag-co-working space mag-work. Tingin ko naman afford nila yan. Ang dami, if anything, they specify that time frame which is a Friday to Sunday, understandable, both search of customers are usually at the weekends. Tapos sa weekdays naman, they can accommodate students and working folks. The majority are in productive mode and there are more downtime at the shop. Yes naman, yes. A table are being used by one person kasi mga dalang laptop or studying working, that's 3 customers na nawala. Diba? Imagine mo, no? Naiintindihan ko yung ano medyo iba na pabor, meron dito ng taliwas. Dito kasi for me, ito, last na lang. Ito, meron to. Their shop, their rules. Bahala sila kung anong style ng customers they win. Starbucks got the reputation of being popular with students and professionals because they didn't give a shit about how many hours you're there. They focus on loyalty to the brand rather than sales. Not everyone's shop can do that, so they have to adjust. Most people in PH who drink overpriced coffee are students. So when you ban student from being student, dililipat na sila for stores who will accommodate for them. Okay, sige. I think yun na lang muna yung mga binabasa dito. Meron kasi sabi, anti-student agad. Hindi naman, okay. Ito. May isa na lang. Last na. Ito. To be honest, okay lang naman kung mag-laptop ng 1 hour sa coffee shop. Pero nakakaloka na sa ibang ginagawang full day co-working space. Okay lang naman kung order to justify their stay. Wala namang kaso. Pero, napapansin yung isang kape lang buong maghapon. Buti sana kung hindi siksikan yung branch sobrang dami palaging tao. Kung maluwag naman, okay lang pero sana marunong din makiramdam. May nakita pa ako na ino-occupy yung lamesa for 4 packs kahit mag-isa lang siya. Kasi pinapaupo yung iba yung bag tapos ilalatag-latag yung review sa lamesa. Diyos ko Lord! I personally hope na huwag tayo umabot sa ganito pero if it has to be this, then so be it. Okay. Okay na. Okay na to. Ang ganda naman ng ang gandang mga points, ang dami ng mga argumento dito. Okay, sa akin naman kasi dito, sa akin, ang toast ko lang dito, base sa bago ako mag-react dito sa policy na to. To be honest, di pa ako nakakapunta ng coffee shop. Even once. Di pa. Siguro nakakapasok ako pero hindi pa ako naka-order. Okay. Nangyari yun sa Manila area. Okay. Lang, parang tumagos lang ako. Wala akong naramdaman doon. Okay. Dito sa some cases naman. Some cases, weekends naman yung pinaglalaban nila dito eh. Weekends di naman di naman daily, di naman di naman na tawag dito lang yan eh. Di naman na buong week is buong buwan ban na agad. Nakakaloka na yung ganun, no? Sabi niya, anti-student na agad. Hindi, ibig ko sabihin, okay lang na no laptop install. Meron kasi time range na Friday to Sunday. Naiintindihan ko yun. Hindi ko maintindihan yung iba dito. Parang sinabi, anti-student naman yan. Wala ang sinasabi dyan na anti-student. Kaso weekends yung pinaglalaban dito. Kasi pag weekends, siyempre walang pasok yung mostly walang pasok yung mga trabaho, yung mga nag-o-office. 'Di ba? Mostly ganoon. Siyempre, reunion. Understandable naman. 'Di ba? Pero sa mga ganyang yung mga establishments, have to parang kailangan makiramdam naman. At saka Monday to Friday, weekends, siguro may hindi ko, ewan ko lang, minsan kasi may pasok eh. Siguro naman siguro naman if ever sa mall yan, understandable to eh. Understandable yan. Pero sa mga, yung mga, siguro yung mga, tawag dito yung mga walang tao or kahit di nito, okay lang as long as may tao man. Ang masasabi ko lang dyan is maraming nawawala dito yung mga sales. Maraming mawawala. Business kasi ito eh. Mag-order lang para kumukulang tapos research ka. Parang lang eh. Parang computer shop ka na libre lang yung internet at kuryente. Pero yung yung isa napaka ewan. Pero sa akin okay daw. Tsaka naman eh. Pag lang weekdays naman maraming nag-aaral dyan eh. Yan eh, sana mag-accommodate naman dito. Di ba na? Ang kasi, kailangan kasi merong, pag weekends kasi, tama na yung trabaho, tama na yung, yung mga, muna, kailangan unwind muna. Kaya nga merong weekend eh. Kailangan merong weekend kasi you have to unwind yung mga iba. Diba? Yun lang naman ang masasabi ko dito. Sana naman sana ma-accommodate naman kayo dito. Kung hindi naman talaga kayo accommodate, much better na sa kayo sa ibang establishment, or better luck na lang next day o sa Lunes na lang kayo, Monday to Thursday kayo magbabad. Okay pa yun eh. Diba? Yun lang naman ang ko. For me, pabor ako dito sa policy na to. Yun lang masasabi ko lang 40 minutes kasi hindi ako Mahirap mag-explain kasi maraming tataliwas na sa akin dito. Pero okay lang. As long as may healthy discussion, comment lang kayo sa baba. Nababasahin ko para may ano tayo. Okay? Kasi hindi naman tayo pare-parehas. May magkakaiba at magkakaiba din tayo. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Thank you and see you next week. Bye!